Good morning, students. Yesterday we did some problems in exercise 7.11. Remaining some important problems are there that we'll do today. Okay, as I said earlier, this exercise is totally important only. We cannot say this problem, that problem. Okay, now you see in that one problem is left over, problem number 8, which is also important one. 0 to pi by 4 log mod of 1 plus tan x dx. Log mod of 1 plus tan x dx. So this is the problem. This is the very important problem. Okay. So what you should do now first? Let I is equal to, as usual, let I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log into 1 plus log into 1 plus tan x dx. Okay. So this is what is given now. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Now which property you are going to use? The same property, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is another property. So this property we have used so many times. So this property again we will use here. So therefore I is equal to here integral 0 to pi by 4 into log of, how much you are going to get? 1 plus tan of a minus x. A means how much? Pi by 4 minus x dx. Okay na? Log of pi by 4 minus x dx. So that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of a minus b. What is tan of a minus b? Tan 45. Tan of a minus b formula you know. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a, tan 45, 1 minus tan b minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. 1 plus tan x into tan 45 means 1. This you know it. That is equal to integral dx. Now you see here. So integral 0 to pi by 4 log mod. Now what we will do now? LCM 1 plus tan x is here. LCM means again what is the numerator? 1 minus tan x there by 1 plus tan x dx. Okay. Now what happened now? Here minus tan x plus tan x cancel. So therefore we can write 0 to pi by 4. So this is nothing but 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan x dx. Correct? Huh? So what happened? These two cancel, 1 plus 1 2. So which formula it is now? I is equal to, because this is all I only know, I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Log of 1 plus tan x dx. Once again you see here, this is nothing but log of a by b. Log of a by b means log a minus log b. Log a minus log b means what happened now? Log 2 is constant, bring outside. So log 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 integral dx minus, this is nothing but I, because we said 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x is equal to I. So this is again you got 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. In this place you substitute minus I. Here before minus is there. If you bring minus I this side, I plus I 2I. 2I is equal to log 2 into integral dx means x. Limits are 0 to pi by 4. So therefore 2I is equal to log 2 into how much you are going to get? Pi by 4 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. So I is equal to pi by 2 means pi by 8 will come. So pi by 8 log 2. So in entrance level this problem will remember. In 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx means pi by 8 log 2. This is memory based problem will come. This is okay. Now so that's why it's called memory based problem. Once again you see, very important problem. Already I told you this exercise is very important, but here also, in that also it's very important. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x is given. we have let I is equal to 0 to pi by 4. We said I means integral. Again that is equal to this property I used here. 0 to f of x dx is equal to 0 to f of a minus x dx is equal to is here integral 0 to pi by 4. A means pi by 4. Log of 1 plus tan of x means how much? Pi by 4 minus x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. 0 to pi by 4 log of LCM if you take means 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x, cancel. 2 by 1 plus tan x. Now log of 2 by 1 plus tan x means which formula is log a minus log b. A means log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x. Log 2 is a constant, bring outside integral 0 by pi by 4 dx minus I, you bring minus I this side. 2i is equal to log 2 into integral dx means x into 0 to pi by 4. So 2i is equal to log 2 into pi by 4. I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is what you got. This is important property for this problem. Problem number 8. Understood, you know? So this is very, very important problem. Okay. You understood now. Let us move to the next problem. Next problem. So, I told you no, I don't want to rub that important. Okay, everything is important in this exercise. Only one exercise is there, no? So that is why you are going to ask property. Basing on that property, this type of one problem they'll ask you. So that's why this is very, very important now. Now, we'll see now. Here see, next problem. These are all we did it. Okay. In this next problem, what is there you see? Problem number 8 is over, 9 already we taught, now 10. We'll go to the problem number 10 now. Problem number 10. What is given you see? Integral 0 to pi by 2 to log sin x minus log sin 2x dx, like this is given. So 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. Anyhow, this is the problem is given now. I want to first simplify this before I go to any property, used to property. So first I want to write this is 0 to pi by 2 n log x. We know formula n log x power n. We did know. So that is nothing but log of sin x whole square means sin square x minus log sin 2x dx. My dear students, we know that because we did so many times. N log x log x power n, log x power n means square, log sin square x. So this is nothing but log a minus log b, integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to pi by 2, log a minus log b, log of a by b, log of sin square x by how much? Sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x dx. 2 sin x cos x dx. Okay. Log a minus log b, log of a by b, sin square x by sin 2x. Now here square, here sin x cancel. So what is left over now you see? This is nothing but 0 to pi by 2 half into log into 1 by 2 tan x dx. 1 by 2 tan x dx. See, sin x by cos x tan x. Here 2 is there, 1 by 2 tan x dx. Now you say this one is I. Let I is equal to this, you say like that. Okay, now here after simplification I came to I now. Okay. Which formula? Integral property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, apply the same, is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 by 2 tan pi by 2 minus x, because what is a here you see? A is nothing but pi by 2 here. Okay na? So therefore I'll write here I is equal to this is I only, no, I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, okay, log of half into tan 90 minus x, tan 90 minus theta, cot x dx, cot x dx. Say for example, for the time being, say this is equation 1, say this is equation 2. Now add 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 means what? Here already I is there, here I is there, I plus I, 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, because here 0 to pi by 2, here 0 to common, here how much is there? Log into log of half tan x plus here log of half cot x. So log of half tan x into log of half cot x dx, this is there. So now 2i, how much you will write now? 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log a plus log b, log ab means a means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into tan x into cot x, correct or not? You tell me. Correct only, no? Log a plus log b, log ab means multiply. This is entire thing is a, this entire thing is b. So a into b, when you multiply these two, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, tan x into cot x. As you know that in integration, tan x into cot x is how much? 1. Tan theta into cot theta, 1. Trigonometry. So 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 by 4 dx, because this is 1 into 1 by 4, 1 by 4, log of 1 by 4. Now you tell me what is log of 1 by 4? Constant, take outside, log of 1 by 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. So 2i is equal to log of 1 by 4 into integral dx is how much? X, that is equal to 0 to pi by 2. So 2i is equal to, upper limit is how much now? Pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2, pi by 2 into log of 1 by 4, correct? Log of 1 by 4. So now I is equal to, how much you will get now? Two things you can do it. I'll tell you, see, I'll show you. Yes, I'll write here. Here 2i is there. 2i is equal to pi by 2 into log 1 by 4. How can you write? Log 1 by 2 whole square. Correct? Log 1 by 2 whole square and log x power n. Log x power n. Here n log x. We wrote, n log x power n. Like again log x power n log x. Vice versa. So 2i is equal to pi by 2 into n log x, 2 into log 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. So 2i is equal to pi into log 1 by 2. So now I is equal to pi by 2 log of 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Pi by 2 log of 1 by 2. My dear students, this is also important problem. So 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x, this is given. First I want to simplify by seeing the logarithmic form. So n log x is there, log x power n I wrote, minus log sin 2x dx. Then it is in the form of log a minus log b, then log of a by b, here sin square, here sin x cancel, then 1 by 2 sin because tan x dx. This I consider a I. So 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to f of a minus x dx, I applied here cot x has come. Tan x into cot x will become 1. So log 1 by 4 constant take outside. Integral dx means x, power pi by 2. So limit pi by 2. So pi by 2 into log 1 by 4 again I wrote as 1 by 2 whole square. Log x power n log x. N log x means this two cancel. I is equal to pi by 2 into log half. This is the final answer. Okay. This is very, very important. Okay. Yesterday, now log of 1 plus tan x, 8th problem. Next this problem. So many times given. Okay. My dear students. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem now. So you should go through it and you should do it. Practice. Okay. Anyhow, let us move to the next point. Next problem, we'll see now. So I always only say only one point, practice. So that is, how many times you ask me also, I'll say the same word, practice, practice, practice. So that is very important. Without that, there is no replacement for practice. Okay. Next, problem number 8 is over, 10 is over, 11 we did, 12. The problem is there. Problem number 12 now. Yes, this is also important. So, integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x dx, 1 plus sin x, already dx I wrote here. Integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. But again here it's, I told you beginning only, that 0 to f of x dx is equal to 0 to f of a minus x property will come several number of times. That is what is happening here, you see. So now you say this is I now, let I is equal to integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x into dx here. So now I apply the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now, so I is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x. Wherever x is there, a minus x. A minus means here a means pi. Pi minus x by 1 plus sine of pi minus x dx. Okay, so that is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x is only pi minus x by 1 plus sine 180 minus theta, second quadrant sine positive sine x dx. This is nothing but separated, pi constant outside, 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sine x dx. Correct? I am separating it, pi by 1 plus sine x dx minus integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sine x dx. X by 1 plus sine x dx, direct. So now here how to do this problem, because we did in integration 1 by 1 plus sine x, nothing is there, no formula directly, we will rationalize it with 1 minus sine x. Then denominator will become 1 plus sine x into 1 minus sine x dx. Okay, direct step also you can put, for you only purpose I put like this, minus this is what I, 0 to pi x by 1 plus sine x is how much I, so directly replace by I. This all is nothing but I now. So minus if you bring here 2I is equal to integral, pi outside is there, 0 to pi, what is the numerator, 1 minus sine x by 1 plus sine x into 1 minus sine x, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sine square x, which is nothing but cos square x, direct step. 1 minus sine square x is nothing but cos square x. Now again, once again, if you separate it inside only, 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx minus integral 0 to pi sin x by cos square x. Sin x by 1 cos x is tan x, 1 by another cos x is secant x. So secant x tan x dx. So this is how you got it. Now here this is common pi for both. So now what I did, again I separated here 1 by cos square x secant square x dx minus sin x by cos square x. Cos square x you write cos x into cos x, sin x by cos x tan x, 1 by cos x is secant x. That is how we got it. So now pi into integral pi into integral secant square x tan x. You write tan x. What are the limits now? 0 to pi. Minus what is integral secant x? Secant x tan x is secant x. So 0 to pi. So don't forget about the formulas now. Now pi into tan 180 0, tan 0 0, happy, minus secant 180 secant pi. You write secant pi upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So here pi into this is 0 minus of see cos 180. Cos 180 means cos 0, cos 0 means minus 1, correct? Cos 180 minus 0 or cos 180 plus 0 minus cos 0 minus 1. Already here you write secant also same, minus 1. Cos 0, 1. Secant 0, reciprocal, 1 only. Here again you put minus 1. So because here minus is there. Minus, so this is nothing but minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus plus 2. 2 pi. 2 pi. 2 pi is equal to, this is how much here? Here is 2i. 2 pi is equal to 2 to cancel. So finally I is equal to pi. This is answer. Finally we got I is equal to pi. So whenever you see the 0 to pi x sin x by x dx by 1 plus sin x means you have to remember it is pi over. So here see, every problem we are using, most of the cases we are going to get this property more number of times, that is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is problem number 12. So whatever left over, whatever important, I am just saying in that exercise 7.11. Okay. So what is over upon? 8th is over, 10th is over, 12th is over. Now 14th one we will do now. 14th problem. Okay. Okay. Now let us move to the problem number 14. We will see now. So today's problems together, if you see, that's very important compared to the yesterday's problems. So which we have to practice very well. Okay. You have to practice more number of times, you have to do it. Okay. But it is a mechanical. Once you know the property I plus I 2i integration, substitute the value, that only we are doing now. So nothing in this more is there. Okay. That we have to catch out. But anyhow, next problem number 14 now. Sorry. Problem number 14 now. In this problem number 14, what is given? Integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx. This is the problem given. Cos power 5x dx. Here a little bit. Whenever you see this problem, are you remember any property? Yes sir. What property is that? I will write this here. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to flower bracket 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, property number 6, P7 or P6? P6 I think. Total 7 properties are there, no? P6. 0. If f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. So these are the problems. This is the property. By seeing here 2 pi, but this is 2, this is a, 2a, 0 to 2a, immediately I got it. So now what you have to check? F of 2a minus x is equal to f of x or minus f of x, you have to check. Okay. Now what is f of x here? F of x means cos to the power of 5x. Okay. That is implies f of 2a minus x. 2a means 2 pi. So 2 pi minus x means cos to the power of 5, 2 pi minus x. 2 pi minus x means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos positive. Cos 360 minus theta. Cos theta. Cos 5x. This implies first one is correct. That is equal to f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. You got it. Correct? 2a minus x. But again f of cos power 5x is what? F of x. This is equal to f of x. So finally, f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x you got means you can write 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, the given function. Therefore, this one we can write as 2 into 0 to a means here how much? Pi into cos power 5x dx. Now what to do, sir? Now here only one thing you have to remember. Now you treat pi as 2a. Now you remember pi as 2a, apply the same principle. Here 2a means 2 pi, here 2a means pi, that's all. Again same function, same, everything is same. So now what I will do now? F of pi minus x, here 2a means pi. Function is same only. So cos to the power of 5 into pi minus x. Pi minus x means second quadrant, this is not fourth quadrant. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos x whole to the power of 5. 5 is an odd number. Therefore minus cos to the power of 5x that is equal to minus f of x. So f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. You got means what is value? 0. So this implies it become 0. Values become 0. Same property when you applied second time only we got 0. See, first 0 to 2a, that same property. 2 pi this time we consider as 2a, this time pi we consider as 2a, but here it is become 0. In this limit it is odd function, in this limit it is even function. Okay, na? Because of limit, don't get confused. Limits are different. Here 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x is even function. In the limit 0 to pi cos power 5x is an odd function. That's why 0. Odd function means that it means f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. That is the meaning, not odd, that even. F of 2a minus x is f of x in this. F of 2a minus x minus f of x in this. If it is that is the case, what is the value? 0. That's why I put without any problem 0. That's why this is also one of the important problems. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem which we had to do it. I think you understood, my dear students. Good. Let us move to the next problem. So properties game. This is nothing but play with this is nothing. This is called play with properties. Differential properties, we are playing with that using the properties, that's all. So that's why first property solve we have to write number of times so that you can remember. After remembering you can do these problems very easily. Okay, anyhow, next. In this case, okay, 11, 12, 14 is over, 15 we did, now 16. Problem number 16 now. Very important problem. So that is very important, is fixed. 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Log of 1 plus cos x dx. See, this is what is given. My dear students, 0 to pi log of 1 plus tan x we did. That is problem number 8. But here it is 1 plus cos x. Okay, no problem. Again we say, according to our function, let I is equal to, this is common only, in I is equal to 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Correct? Which property again? 0 to a, here f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So property, don't forget to write. You have to write it. Now I is equal to integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos of, wherever x is there, a minus x. Here a means pi, so pi minus x I wrote here. So this is nothing but integral 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos x dx, because cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus into plus minus, we got it. This is I. Say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means what will happen now? I plus I, 2i, intervals are same, 0 to pi. Here log of 1 plus cos x, here 1 plus cos x, plus log of, how much you will get? 1 minus cos x. Okay, put in bracket and dx. Which form it is? Log a plus log b. Log a plus log b, how can you write? Log of a plus b, 1 plus x into 1 minus x, 1 minus cos square x. Correct? So a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square x. What is 1 minus cos square x? 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos square x is sin square x dx. Correct? 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x dx, 2i. This is 1 minus cos square x, sin square x. 2i is equal to, like that we got it, log sin square x dx. Now, here you see, we got it, this is like this. Now, I will write here, 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi log sin square x, means n log x, 2 log sin x dx. 2 log sin x dx. Correct or not? See, log x power n, put bracket, no problem. Log x power n, n log x. You got it? Okay, no problem. 2i is equal to 2 constant integral 0 to pi log of sin x dx. Again, the property which used previously, again we will use that. What is the property? Same, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of a to a minus x is equal to f of x. Now what you understand here, f of x is log sin x, 2a is nothing but pi, 2a is nothing but pi. So I write here first, so I will write f of x that is equal to log mod sin x, log sin x or mod sin x doesn't matter. F of 2a minus x means pi minus x, means log mod of sin pi minus x. Log pi minus x is how much? Sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, that is nothing but log sin x. Log sin x means what? This is nothing but f of x. So what happened now? F of 2a minus x is equal to f of x you got, means this. So that you can write 2 into 0 to f of x dx. Here 2a is what? Pi. 2a is pi. So I is equal to 2 into 0 to a means pi by 2. 2a is equal to pi. What is a? Pi by 2. Here 2a is pi. Here a means pi by 2. You know it. So 0 to pi by 2. How much? Log of. What is left over? Sin x dx. Correct? So here 2 cancel. I is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Correct or not? Now we can see, we can do other method, but we can solve it also. Directly we can use the formula. This is one example is there. Basing example we can write that value, or we can continue. Whatever you want you can do it. So if you do continue means, again what I will do now, see here. Again I will write, I use the same property, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Same property. So one step I will put directly, otherwise so many steps will come. I is equal to, let it be like this. This is the problem we got it. This I is different. Now here 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is there no? Now I1 will say that is better kada. I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. Better not to confuse you, I took separate. This is one problem. Now I started doing. This I kept separate. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x I consider as I1. Now I apply this property. This property if I am applying means how much you will get? Directly tell me. 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Because we did so many problems now, directly we got sin pi by 2 minus x, a minus x formula, sin 90 minus x cos x. Add it. This is I1, this is I1. So 2I1. 2I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. How much you will get? Log sin x cos x. Log sin x cos x dx. Okay, because my board is not sufficient. Again I would rub now. Once again I will tell you. In this problem everything is there. So an example problem also I am explaining here. So I need not tell example problems again. That example problem number I will tell you. 36. This is example problem 36. 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is your example problem 36. So that only I am explaining here. Both will come here. Okay, my dear student, remember this. So I will write here. This is example problem in textbook anamata. Problem is 36. So actually this value directly you can write, but this how it has come this value I am explaining again here. Okay, now once again you see now. This is a problem given 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x. This is same, apply the same formula here. Then I got this one added, then I got it log x power n, then 2 log x, log sin x, again this property, two properties applied here. Then we got 2 into 0 to power like sin x. This value we can write, provided example 36 if you do means. We didn't do no, that's why I am explaining this property also. Now this problem has another problem I am explaining here. Let now I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, like that I said. Okay, up from here one problem. So now what I am doing, same principle I am applying here again. So therefore sin 90 minus x cos x. So I1 plus I1, 2I1. 0 to pi by 2, log A plus log B, log AB. Direct steps I put. So log sin x cos x. Okay, my dear student, you understood now. So I'll rub it because I don't have this one. So I don't want to leave this afterwards to you. I want to do totally. So that is the reason I am rubbing this. My dear students, please pause it and note down. Okay, afterwards. Now you see. So 2I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. So log of 2 sin x. Otherwise we will do right, no problem. Log sin x cos x plus log 2 minus log 2 dx. Means what I did? Added, subtracted. Log 2 added, subtracted. Why? Because 2 sin x cos x is there, means sin 2x you can write. That is the reason. Okay, you understood, you know? 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x you can write. That is the reason added, subtracted. Now you tell me 2I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log A plus log B. These two you take. Log A plus log B, log AB means 2 sin x cos x. Sin x cos x into 2 sin x cos x minus log 2 dx. Correct? Yes sir. Okay, now 2I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. How much is there? Log 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x dx. Correct? Log 2 sin A cos B, sin 2A minus log 2 is constant. You write here integral 0 to pi by 2. What is left over? Dx. My dear students, don't get confused. Okay na? Log A plus log B, log AB, 2 sin x cos x, sin 2x dx minus log 2 integral dx. Okay. Now, because we are doing another problem, that's the reason. So example 36 also in same problem only I am doing, because anyhow you want it. Okay. Now 2I1 is equal to here is what happened now. I'll tell you. Before, whenever you want to do this, this is again substitutional problem and a 2x is there. So now what I'll do here, put 2x is equal to t. Substitution. 2 into derivative of x, 1. 2 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to how much? Half dt. Whenever you go for substitution, upper limit will change. What is upper limit? Pi by 2. You write pi by 2 here. 2 to cancel pi. Correct? What is lower limit here? 0. 2 into 0, 0. That is what you got it. Now, I'll write 2I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi. 2I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi. Log 2x means sin x. 2x is nothing but t, sorry. Log sin t. 2x is t. Log sin t. What is dx? Half dt. dt will be here, half outside. Half is outside. Minus, because this one I want to write, minus log 2 into integral dx x 0 to pi by 2. Correct? Okay. Now 2I1 is equal to 1 by 2. Again if you write 2f, again the same, this property. Integral 0 to f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to f of x. This property again we are applying here. You see? Log pi minus t, sin t only. And f of t a minus f of x. Then how can you write? 2 into 0 to a. So 2 into 0 to a means how much? Pi by 2. 2a is pi. A is equal to pi by 2. In this problem, we are applying the same formulas. Into log sin t dt minus log 2 into pi by 2. Log 2, upper limit pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2. Okay, here to cancel. 2I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 by the property, first property, log sin x dx. Variable won't change, same limit means if you write t, z, all same, you know, integral a to b. F of x dx is equal to integral a to b, f of t dt is equal to integral a to b, f of z dz is equal to same we said, same integral. Instead of t I wrote sin x. Understood? Okay. Minus pi by 2 log 2. minus pi by 2 log 2. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is how much I said? 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is how much I said? I1. So I'll write I1 here. So 2I1 is equal to I1 minus pi by 2 log 2. So now what happened now? 2I1 minus I1. I1 is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2, or if you don't want minus here, bring here, power minus 1 will come, or 1 by 2. Yes, pi by 2. Pi by 2 log 1 by 2. This minus will 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 means what? 1 by 2. That's why I wrote. Either this you can write, either this you can write. That is the I1 value. So finally, where this problem now? Here. I only got confused. Okay. So finally, here what is there? I is equal to 2 into, now, finally continuation. I is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. How much you got? That is I1 only, we said, How much you got now? Pi by 2 log half. So this is nothing but pi by 2 log half. Means what happened? 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel. 2 into you said, that's why. So finally, what is your integral answer? I is equal to pi log of 1 by 2, or that's something. That is the answer. So now this is example 36. I did from here to here. This is example 36. From now I1 to all the things is example 36. So this example 36 value in your problem, what you do, that problem you do means 0 to pi by 2 log sin x means directly you substitute 2 into this directly. 2 to cancel directly. This is not necessary to do all these things, because why I did now example also I want to show you, that's why I did it. Okay, please look at this problem once again. What happened in this problem means same properties applied 2-3 times. So that is the gambling. Okay, now please look into the once again, you can understand, no problem at all. Okay. Now, okay, I think you understood very well. Nice. So these are all, if you put on paper, then it will come to know. Okay, next. I'll rub it off. Now problem number, what is left over, I'll see now. Now, in this exercise, 16th over, 17th over, 18th over, 19th one, this is the last problem in this exercise. Problem number 19. Show that, he has given like this. Show that integral 0 to a f of x dx, sorry, f of x into g of x. F of x into g of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. That fellow already given this is. He has given integral 0 to f of x dx value is 2 into 0 to f of x dx. If f and g are defined as f of x is equal to f of a minus x, comma g of x plus g of a minus x is equal to 4, or defined. How you got? You don't ask, it is given. Or defined. So what do you want? Show that 0 to f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to f of x dx. He is asking this is equal to this, provided given is this, or defined, this is given like this, using this. Okay, no problem. So now what I will do now here means integral 0 to a f of x dx, f of x into g of x dx. Now I will apply my property. My property means what? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Sir, immediately how you write this properties? This means, see, I am always observing. What you have to prove is here, f of a minus x is given means, unless you substitute here, how you will get? That's why immediately apply that property. So now, using this property here, integral 0 to a f of a minus x into g of a minus x dx, correct or not? Wherever x is there, a minus x, wherever x is there, a minus x, f of a minus x into f of g minus x. Integral 0 to a, f of a minus x is how much is defined? F of x, you write f of x. Into, now g of a minus x, see, g of a minus x, how much you will get? 4 minus g of x, correct or? From that condition, 4 minus g of x, 4 minus g of x dx. Okay, in place of g of a minus x, I wrote 4 minus g of x. In place of a minus x, I wrote f of x. Correct? Now, you simplify now. This implies integral 0 to a, 4 into f of x. 4 here, f of x dx. Okay, minus integral 0 to a, f of x into g of x dx. f of x into g of x dx. Correct? Huh? So these are all, here I didn't say that, here let I is equal to, that is also I. So now I is equal to 4 constant outside, integral 0 to a f of x dx, correct? Yes, minus integral 0 to a f of x dx is how much? Integral 0 to f of x dx is how much? I, you write I here. Minus, this means I plus I, 2I, 4 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. So now what happened? I, 2 goes in here 2 times. So therefore 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Over, that's all. This is what you are asked to prove. 2 into 0 to f of x dx. Only gambling. So first apply this property. After applying this property, in place of f of a minus x, I applied f of x. In place of g of a minus x, 4 minus g of x. I separated. Whichever f of x into g of x is I brought I here, 2I, multiplied 2 times. Very simple. Understood? Okay. So this, with this, we have completed 7.11 over. What is left over means only miscellaneous. If you all observe it, practice this, then there is a meaning of teaching all these things. If you simply don't observe and not practicing means no use. Okay. My dear students, please practice once again. Okay. Next class will meet. Thank you.